specialist. Hello, my name is Tenzin Mariko and I'm a Tibetan artist, performer and makeup artist, and I'm the first Tibetan transgender woman. So back in 2016 I have opened a YouTube channel, but I could not follow up till today because back in the days I really didn't have right equipment like cameras and phones, and you know, I could not, also I don't have any knowledge about YouTube, and you know, I could not follow up just because of that, as well as I was really busy traveling around the world to do a concert and performance, and you know, to meet and greet with people, and yeah, that's why I could not do it. But since 2020, this pandemic happened, like I realized that I could not interact or to meet with people around the world, and everybody, my fans and my friends and my families are telling me to start a YouTube channel, and I thought this is the right time to do it through this YouTube bridge. So yeah, so better delayed than never, right? So you know, and also that like what you guys can expect from me in my YouTube channel is obviously everybody sees me very glamour, and obviously my fashion and my makeup tutorial and lifestyles and my travel vlogging. You know, whenever I'm gonna go travel somewhere, I'm gonna vlog for you guys. So, but since everybody sees me very glamour, but there's always a hidden part in everyone, right? So since in my social media everybody sees me so glamour, so fashionable, so like always enjoying, you know, but like there's also the reality is that like nobody sees my struggles, and you know, nobody sees the real me. So in reality I'm also gonna do the daily routine, and also like my struggles, and also my unfiltered life, and I'm gonna show the real me on YouTube channel, you know. So since this video is introduction, I'm gonna keep it very sweet and short. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and comment down below what you guys want to see next time in future. And yeah, so till then, take care, stay safe. I love you all. #Tenzin Mariko. Thank you so much, guys.